Here are 3 steps to start unlocking more and more social media success. Number 1, use storytelling. Humans are inherently all about stories and emotions, and much less about logic. So any content that you create has to spark some sort of emotion to make it different from everything that people see nowadays. You need to make it stand out. And by using these quick stories, you can catch the audience's attention and make them more interested in your product. And remember, leverage different content formats like blogs, videos, and PDFs to see exactly which one resonates most with your type of audience. Number 2, engagement is everything. If someone comments on your post or likes your post, make sure you get back to them. Maybe they're an interested customer. Maybe they're a prospect that could have a question and could potentially become a customer. You never know. So always make sure that you're constantly engaging your audience. You're never going to be wasting time if you're engaging one-on-one with your audience, especially if you're a startup. Building that brand loyalty with your first customers, with your first 10 customers, with your first 100 customers, it doesn't matter. Building that foundation allows you to have amazing customers who are really interested in what you have to offer. Number 3, data-driven decisions. Identify peak post times. Identify when people are responding most to your emails. All those things allow you to see exactly what to focus on next. We tested our platform with hundreds, if not thousands of users to make sure that we're only showing you the most important insights that you can start applying for your daily work. So using our platform Easy User, you can send content in a faster and smarter way to prospects, investors, or customers. After sending them content, you can see exactly who's visiting your content, what is your most popular content, and so many more things. Remember to regularly look at your analytics to make sure that you're improving both your marketing and your sales. If you're ever interested in checking out our platform Easy User, you can try out our free tier and see exactly how it benefits your marketing and sales. You can check it out at easyuser.co and you can learn more about the platform, see exactly how the analytics work, and how sales and marketing teams use them in order to get more outreach done daily.